Although Python is a dynamic language that doesn't require a compilation step, some Python development environments supply one anyway. For example, this is a program called PyCharm, which is one of the programs we recommend for Python development. PyCharm simulates the compilation step before you execute your actual code. It might do that all at once before you attempt execution, or it might even do it line by line as you type. You can actually see that right here. It's telling us, it looks like you misspelled a word. This is almost like spell check on a word processor. It can detect possible problems as you type. Note that this is very different from the technical definition of compilation, but in terms of our programming workflow, it plays the same type of role, detecting errors before we actually run our code. This is also a good demonstration of a different principle. Note that sometimes when there are errors in your code, it'll look like the error is actually printed out of order. For example, here, the error occurred on line 5, and yet the error printed first, and the successful print statements printed after. This is kind of an idiosyncrasy of some Python development environments. Errors get sent to the console through a different route than actual output, and sometimes the errors can arise first. Sometimes you'll even see the individual output lines interspersed among the error lines. If you see that, don't worry, don't be confused. Just know that the error triggered at some point after all the successful print statements.